Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I just wanted to make a short video that I am letting you know what I'm stocking in my Etsy shop for 2024. Of course, have quite a few slow stitch kits in there already, but some of you may not realize that some of my projects here that I do on my YouTube channel, I also make project kits for my Etsy shop. Now, my project kits are always made in limited supply. I don't make a whole lot of any of them, and I don't repeat them. So if there's a interest that you might have in a kit, well, you might check that out. I don't like selling as such. My YouTube channel is not for selling you products, but I do want every once in a while to let you know what might be going into the shop that you might be interested in. The other thing that I'm starting this year is the stitch by stitch supply kits. Lots of you have commented that you don't have the scraps and things like that to get started from. So I'm putting together just small little kits, and I will be numbering them. They will be labeled stitch by stitch, number 1, so forth and so on. What that means is that all the kits out of number 1 come out of one scrap tub. And so that each time I change numbers, like kit number 2, well, it'll be out of a different selection of scraps, so that you'll have a diversity if you decide to get more than one. These are very reasonably priced, so that you can begin to get a few scraps around. Now, there's enough in this kit for, depending on what size project you're working on, but they're designed for the stitch by stitch project that I'm doing on my channel. And so, that's just a simple little 4x4 pages that we're doing. So you don't need a whole lot of anything to create a 4x4 page. So actually, in one kit, there's probably enough in here to make 3 or 4 pages at least. And so it's going to be a really great buy. And some diversity. You may have a lot of scraps. Maybe you just want something a little different from what you have. So there's no rhyme or reason to what's in here. A scrap tub is exactly what it says, a scrap tub. Whatever's in there is what I'm going to pull out. In other words, you'll be working out of the same kind of scrap stash that I will be working out of. And so we'll have some snippet sizes, some yarn, some torn fabrics, little snippets of lace, other things. I like these gauzy scarves that I rip up. Those are wonderful, different fabric selections. Just enough to jumpstart you or get you started on something else. So if that interests you, I just wanted to let you know that these stitch by stitch supply packets are going to be started loading later this week. And so you'll be able to get a few. Again, these are limited. In fact, the very first one, I'm only going to put together 4, because if there's no interest in them, I don't want to waste my time putting supplies together if people don't want it. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know. And meanwhile, as you can see, I'm staying scrap happy, and you do the same. Okay, bye-bye.